Would you like to know when your investments will double, triple, or even quadruple? Well, the rule of 72 exactly defines when your investment will double in its nature. For example, if you divide the rate of return of your investments by 72, it will give you the period in which your investments will double. Let's take an example. Say if you've kept an FD at an interest rate of 6% in a bank. So 72 divided by 6, which is 12 years it will take to double your investments. Similarly, if you have kept any other investments which is at say 8% returns, then it will take 72 divided by 8, which is 9 years to double your money. And in the similar fashion, say if you've put it in equities or mutual funds where you're getting say 12% returns, then 72 divided by 12, which is 6 years it will take to double your money. Isn't that an eye opener? Well, would you also like to know when will your investments triple or quadruple? Yes, the two magical numbers then are 114 and 144 respectively. That means if your investment is in a FD at 6% and if you divide 114 by 6, that will give you the period of years, which is say 19 years, your investments will triple. Same way, if you have invested in FD or in any other instrument, say in equity markets itself, if you've invested with and you are getting say 12% returns, and if you divide 144 by 12, that means it will take 12 years to quadruple your investments. So the three magical numbers which you have to remember are 72 to know when to double your investments, 114 to know how to triple your investments, and 144 to know when your investments will quadruple. You divide these numbers by the rate of return, and the period which you get will let you know when your investments will double, triple, or quadruple. If you like this content, do follow us on our website and our YouTube channels. The link are in the bio. Thank you.